guys, welcome back to A Drill and a Dream. Your friend Abby here being way super impatient because I just got my door handles in the mail and of course I'm just coming home from work, but I had to try it and I've never done this before, but I absolutely have to see what these look like and I needed to take you guys along because it's a big deal and you are my wonderful, faithful viewers. So how hard could it possibly be? Let's give it a try. So this is what I call trying to put in a door for the very first time for beginners, also without looking at the directions. Should be. Oh, see, it slides right there like that. How pretty is this? Okay, so I was just playing around with this a little bit. I'm like, I can do this, but I also wanted you all to be involved. However, I'm wondering, so it fits in really nicely, opens and closes, fits into the hole like it should. But my question involves, oh, would you look at that? I love this. It, you screw right into the doorknob itself, so it's not even like you have to do anything with the door. Okay. I'm gonna read directions. Make sure I put the right screws in here. Oh, right here, okay. So, I'm guessing it's the non-sharp ones. There's two of them. Doing a great job. I thought the little screwdriver, baby screwdriver, was a good idea, but it might actually be more difficult because it's bigger up closer. Anyway, it works. Okay, looking good. So now I'm guessing that these little screws go in here. I might actually want a drill. That's fine. Maple is really hard, in case you didn't know. Okay. That's good. I mean, that seems like that should go there, but what's this? Maybe it's just like for different size. Like holes and stuff. If it's not right, I can take it out. Let's see. Sure seems like it works. Yeah, seems great. So there's going to be, hello. Okay, so it's appearing to work correctly. Locks right in there. There's going to be those little boards, if you recall, that are going to go all the way around here to stop it. But yeah, I see no problems here. Looking good. I'm looking good. All you need is that, stop. Amazing. Okay, let me look. Yes. Do I like that? Yes, I like that. That looks gorgeous. Okay, so I believe that these handles are a go. They're very sleek, and I like that they're levers. Just overall a big fan. So, win-win. Now I am going to go home and eat some dinner. Way to go, getting all dirty. And I will be back. Maybe tonight. I was going to take the night off. We'll see. If I get excited, I might be back tonight, or else I have tomorrow off. So, more door handles coming your way. Can't even wait, because they really pull it all together for sure. And how nice they look with the hinges. Great. So I'll be back soon. Hey guys, I am back. If you guessed that there was no way that I was going to wait until tomorrow to finish up these doorknobs, you're absolutely right, because I just want to see them all in. So here I am back an hour or two later, and I'm hoping that I can get these in very quickly and see the beautiful finished product. I know that there's a possibility that sometimes when you put the doors in, because like if the door jams or whatever had to be shifted a little bit, or maybe like one side was cut a little shorter, it's possible that they might not line up. So that may happen, but I'm gonna put the doorknobs in anyway, and we'll see how it goes. If something goes amiss, obviously Jay and I can fix it tomorrow. But I just think that they look so gorgeous, and I want to see them all in. So let's get to work. So I have obviously ones with locks for the bathroom door, and I don't know if that's if that is any different or if it's the same. I'm guessing it's the same idea. We'll see if I get into any troubles here. I could not believe how quick and easy it was to put in that doorknob that I did earlier. So I'm hoping they all go just as smoothly. Ooh. But we shall see. So let's think here. That goes in there. This one is here. Something is not right. Okay, let me think. Oh, just put it this way. There we go. The lock is on the inside, as it should be. The door handles are facing the correct way. When it is unlocked, they turn, and when it is locked, they don't. So that seems like a win. Okay. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Nice, nice, nice. This is definitely the trickiest part because the wood is so hard, this maple. But it's really not that bad. Not bad at all. That went in way smoother than the other door. Cool. Let's see how it goes. Perfect. Again, needs the door stopper on the other side. But check this out. Lock it. Can't open it. Yeah, awesome. Perfect. Amazing. How great is that? That is so nice. That looks so good. Amazing. Also, so fast. Once again, this is a really awesome, easy job. I was expecting it to be much worse than this. It's gonna go in this way. Yep. These are nice. Maybe all doors are like this, doorknobs, I don't know. But they have like extenders. It extends on the inside. So if it's, I'm guessing there are like two different sizes of doors that holes are or whatever. And it will extend to both of them. Jay and I were just saying that we're gonna need to put something, a stopper on the wall or whatever, so it doesn't slam into this wall when the door opens. Nice. I don't want to strip it all together. Let's see if that works. Okay. You can tell this wood is a lot softer. Let's see if that works. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Maybe Jay can get this in a little bit deeper, but it's not bad. That looks so nice. Okay, so 3 doors done. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. Because, is that right? 5 to go. Because 2 of them, the pocket doors, obviously have different hinges, and I don't know how to do those. I'm pretty sure I have to actually drill part of the door out for those. Nice. It looks so good. Basement is next. Okay, so this goes in this way. These are both the same. Wouldn't it be funny if tomorrow Jay got here and was like, all of these are wrong somehow, and I had to totally redo them? But I don't think so. They wouldn't work right if they were wrong, I imagine. Goes so much faster if you can use 2 hands, but slides away. It is unseasonably warm. It's funny, we had like a week of really, really cold weather, and now today it was like 77. Insane. And it is the end of October. course, this bit might not be the best. I don't know if this one's any better, but we'll see. Okay, that's not bad. Ooh, we found our first problem. That is not gonna fit in there. So, which makes sense because we had some issues with this door. I'm gonna put the plate in anyway because that shouldn't make a difference, but I think we'll have to tweak this a little bit so that it will go in the right hole. Yeah, I'll put the plate in. We can take it out if we need to. Well, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll wait because it's possible that what will need to be done is the actual hole be widened a little bit or something. I'm not sure how that works, but I'll just leave it and we can fix that tomorrow. We'll see how the other ones go. I will leave this box here. Our first problem door. Yeah, it's just a little bit high. The hole's a little bit high, so we can fix it. But moving along to the coat closet. Okay, so it's sliding in this way, should go like that. Beautiful. Okay, headed upstairs with the final 3. It's going this way. And let's see, I want the lock on the inside. And I want the handle this direction. Getting better, knowing all the things to think. Okay, beautiful. Amazing. Look how pretty that looks. Should have counted how many times I dropped a screwdriver. This was a lot. stops. Gorgeous. Last door of the night, guys. I'm very proud. Also, they just went so quickly. Really, really nice. Oh, I'll show you guys the closet. It only has one coat of paint, so I need to do another coat on it, but it looks pretty. Gorgeous. Beautiful. We did it. All of the doors that we could have doorknobs. So I'm pretty glad that only one of them has any issues. And we'll work on that tomorrow. And then of course the pocket door hardware, I only have one of them. One was shipped on from a different place, I guess. So I don't remember which one it is, but that's gonna need to be actually cut into or whatever. So I don't know if I'll have the opportunity to film that or not, but I will keep you updated. This is the closet, which looks very nice. So I painted these little cubbies the same color as the laundry room, and then the shelf as well. So that looks nice. It looks especially nice having the door on it. I think the doors are just absolutely stunning, and I really like the hardware. And I'm really happy that it was so easy to put in. Looks great. So anyway, I am headed home for the night. The one thing that I wanted to do before I go is count the outlets in the house, because I actually believe tomorrow I'm gonna go get outlet covers, which is another exciting thing, just to put the covers on, because it will clean it up a little bit and look just a little bit more finished, just a little bit closer to the finish line we are headed. I am very much looking forward to seeing all of those put in. Okay, so I got outlet covers. Very exciting. This is a very exciting finishing touches sort of video, if I can open it. But I have about 60 of these single outlet covers, and we're gonna see where we need to make some fixes, because clearly here is one of them. That one covers it better. So anyway, I'm gonna put these in and we'll see. I'm guessing there might be some spots that we'll have to still do a little touch-ups, but that is okay. has been made today. We put in 10, no, not 10 because they're 2 side doors. So 8 doorknobs and about 60 outlet covers. Yeah, it really was quite quick actually, both of them. Not too bad. Not too bad of a job. We've done a lot worse here at the house. If you're a new viewer, you should check out my Fix Over Journey playlist. You can see all of the videos from day one of this house. We've come a long way. It did not always look like this. But now we are heading towards the finish line, and all these finishing touches, outlet covers, door handles, I can't get over how quickly we're getting closer to moving in. Mind-blowing. So excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are loving the house progress as much as I am. I am so excited. It is coming together so beautifully. And every step along the way is just even more and more exciting. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Tap the bell, stay notified when new videos come out. Check in next time to see what's going on here at the house. I don't know what it's going to be, so it'll be a surprise for both of us. But every little thing that we do here is just making the house look even more stunning. I'm so excited about it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time on Drill and Dream.